I bought a camera a little while back. It's a little sports camera, cheap camera. However, the video quality is pretty good on it. The thing that this camera is lacking is a stabilizer in it that is satisfactory. So I was looking for solutions to it, and I came up with I better buy a gimbal, and I now have it in my hand. And I promised yesterday when I did the review on the other Handycam that we bought that I would show this gimbal to you today. I just got it 2-3 days ago. I've been playing with it a little bit, and I must say, so far so good. I really like it. It's very easy to operate, and it basically has 4 basic features, plus manual pan tilt features, and I'm just going to show you some of those features here without getting into many details. This camera, or this gimbal, I'm sorry, this gimbal is easy to operate, and to start it, we are going to hold that button for about 3 seconds or so, and the camera goes right into the position, aligns itself, and seems to be working. It starts up in the default position, which is basically you turn the gimbal and the camera has a smooth movement, and when you tilt forward in this position, the camera stays exactly pointing forward. It doesn't really matter how. Let me see if I can show it to you. If I tilt it this way, the camera still points straight out. So that's the first position, and probably primarily the one I will be using. To change these settings, there's a little feature button, and basically for the different settings, you tap once for the default, tap twice, and the camera now functions differently. The camera actually tilts with your movement, and if you turn it, it turns with the movement, and that way too. So you can see that if I show it to you this way, you can see that the camera follows the gimbal in this position. That's number 2. Pretty useful, and I'm going to try to use that as well and try it out. I'm going to go out here in a little bit, add some footage to it, and I'm going to do a walk with gimbal and a walk without gimbal, walking down the same path, and try to do a comparison, side-by-side comparison, so you can actually see how the gimbal works. And I'll say this because this camera has absolutely no stabilization in it. Alright, so let's tap 3 times. 1, 2, 3. There you go. Now the camera has another feature. See, I'm turning the gimbal right, left, and no matter how I turn the gimbal, the camera kind of stays in the same position. So that could be useful, I guess, for some occasions. And let's go to feature number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so tapping 4 times puts the camera in a position where it actually also follows your follows the gimbal movement. It's almost similar to 2, but I don't see a whole lot of difference in that feature. But useful, probably. Yes. So let's go outside and try to take a couple of photographs here, and we'll go from there. that was a little walk in, I'm sure you can see the difference. It makes the picture very, very smooth, and you guys don't have to be busy much longer. That's the whole purpose of the thing. I forgot to mention one thing, and I'm going to do that here before I close up, and that is that this gimbal also have a manual function. Tilt down, tilt up, and you can go pretty far with it. You can almost go 360, not a full 360, but that. And you can also tilt it left and go a full 360. And you can also go the other direction, but not as far, and I think it's going to stop right here somewhere, right there. So you can do a full 360, and overall it's a good product, well worth the price, and I'm glad I got it. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you next time.